In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect Binance to Quantower. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Quantower like you usually would. Then from here, you should bring something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go up to the up-hand menu where it says Workspaces. Then you'll just need to click on whatever is up here. From here, you should bring something like this. And here you'll need to go up to the search bar and click in Binance. Once you're in here, you'll need to choose what type of Binance that you want to log in and connect to. So we have a coin futures right here. We have a Binance margin. We have Binance spot, spot US, or future US right here. So just choose the specific one that you want to use. This is the same process like any other. So just choose the specific one. And then from here, you'll need to add in the info up here, click trading. And then you'll need to go into Binance either on your smartphone device or on your PC and then find the API key. You'll also need to enter your secret key that you also can find the same way you find the API key, and then you'll need to change the connection to either test network or live. From here, you'll simply need to click next or connect, and then from here it will go out and say in a big screen right here that it has been connected successfully. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!